Have you heard of social jet lag? A recent paper investigated its surprising link to cancer. Many of us are sleep deprived from work and chores during the week, and we try to make up for it by sleeping in until noon on the weekends. This mismatch between our weekday and weekend sleep patterns is called social jet lag. In recent years, its impact on our health has become a topic of growing interest. Today, based on a new scientific paper published in 2025, we'll explore whether a night owl lifestyle and social jet lag might increase the risk of cancer. First, let's talk about a hormone in our bodies called melatonin. Melatonin is well known as the sleep hormone, but it also has cancer-suppressing effects, such as inhibiting abnormal cell growth and protecting the body from oxidative stress. Normally, melatonin levels rise when it gets dark at night. However, staying up late and exposing ourselves to light from lamps and smartphones can strongly interfere with melatonin secretion, which could potentially lead to cancer. Melatonin is particularly noteworthy for its role in suppressing the production of the female hormone estrogen, drawing attention to its connection with breast cancer risk. So, are night owls actually more prone to cancer? This paper analyzed 18 previous studies on the topic. The results showed that in 6 of those studies, night owls had a 1.1 to 1.4 times higher risk for specific cancers, like breast and prostate cancer, compared to morning larks. However, it's important to note that the other dozen or so studies found no such clear association. Therefore, the paper concludes that, at present, there is no consistent evidence for a link between being a night owl and cancer risk. Next, what about social jet lag, another form of disruption to our internal clock? Surprisingly, the review found only 2 studies that investigated this connection. And what's more, the findings from these 2 studies were completely contradictory. One study reported that more than an hour of social jet lag increased the risk of prostate cancer. However, the other study, which used more objective measurement methods, found no link at all. Here too, the current reality is that we can't say there is a clear causal relationship between social jet lag and cancer risk. Nevertheless, it's not just the amount of sleep that matters, but also the quality, including timing and regularity, which are crucial for keeping our internal clocks in sync. It might be a good idea to try and reduce social jet lag by waking up around the same time on weekends as you do on weekdays. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. For a more in-depth look, please check out our Robustness newsletter on Substack.